Hello, this is Wilma. 1970s Volkswagen Campervan. Candy orange. Absolutely wonderful condition here. All the panels are really nice and straight. See the reflection there on my door. Still have a tax disc, but new law can't transfer that over, unfortunately. Does sit fairly low, as you can see, but not really had any problems with her. Try and get a bit further back. She used to be a fire truck, so she's an original panel. You can see water cannon fixings and the chute on top. Wide fives, front and rear, original. It does have previous repair work, unfortunately, but it's not too bad. It's quite hard to match the colour. Let's see if we can get enough angle around the back. Really nice condition. Engine's really sweet. Got loud exhaust though, but I'm sure some people don't mind that. See if we can show you. You can see the reflection just here. A really beautiful sun there. First time the sun's been out today, actually. See the colour. See if you can see down there. Now the leather in here, I've been told, was worth about £6,000 when it was done, but I don't believe I have the receipts for it. It was done by a previous owner, unfortunately, so I can't take credit for it. Bench seat, not a walk through. Got matching leather trim. Four on the floor. I believe it used to be a automatic. It does say that in the logbook. Only on 51,000 kilometers, and she still is in kilometers an hour. Radio, USB, aux, all good everywhere else down here. Nice floor mats. Nice, good condition. All in here. Now that's not rust, just to say. That's like under sort of seal sort of thing. Don't really know what to call that. This does fold up. A lot of storage, and then this comes down. I'll show you the back. So we've got laminate flooring. No really big scratches, as you can see, just a few sort of normal wear and tear things. Table. This does come out, and it does swivel round, obviously. All leather seats, matching. They do come up as well. Got storage under here. Nice big amount of storage. You can get absolutely everything you need under there. I've been away for a week recently, and yeah, the only thing that was in here was a sort of a few sleeping bags. This is for the telly. It's there. Oh, sorry. Got the lights on. Got either mood lighting, full lighting. So I have everything on, everything off. Here's the roof. Don't know if you guys can see that properly on my camera. All done, one of a kind sort of thing. Right, so yeah, here we are. Really nice storage. Should have done it the other way, to be honest. Got to open the door, but you know. Some cigarette ports, bob that on. TV comes on, I'll show you that in a sec. Got an inverter, laminate obviously to match on here. Right, see if I can. Got some speakers in the back, and also down here underneath the carpet it's got 2 speakers, a leisure battery under there. See if I can pull it up. Got a nice leisure battery, split charger. The 2 things connecting it are for my solar panels. That's the wire that comes up through the top to the back, and that can just clip on and off. There you can see speaker. If you can get a bit more storage down here, but never had the need for that. Yeah, that's all that. Come around the back. Obviously you got your dub stickers as you need, everyone needs them. Roof rack on top. It's a double roof rack, goes about just over a metre I'd say, it's metre squared. Here's the engine, obviously. Got the battery, that shouldn't ever go flat. When the engine's off, it all runs off the leisure battery, and split charger, so that once you've used a starter motor it should top itself back up. As you can see, that on the outside, and I don't know if you can see on the inside there's nothing come through, so it's just really a case of pulling it back and respraying. Those are the petrol tanks at the back. Nice bit of bud. Now it is a twin choke carburettor on there. Does go nicely. I've done miles and miles and miles in this recently. Absolutely love it. Up in the back. Nice storage area. Everything you need you can get in. And here, see what I mean? Solar panels. Now mine do open, so there's 1, 2, but you can get different variations. Now this is a rug, but it's cut out to fit nicely over the top, so it does go well. We've also got storage on here, which is a nice amount. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, obviously, toilet rolls, barbecue and shoes. What else do you need? So that's all that. Right, let's go ahead, start her up. Now it has got Clifford's alarm, central locking. Have to click it, sometimes the timer goes out. Give it a bit of a... Sometimes as well, you're getting on petrol, bit of a tap and the needle comes up. Nice idle. Everything works nicely. As far as I'm aware, spot on. Never run out of petrol. All works perfectly, but slightly out and dead on. Radio's all good. Comes on, got perfect traffic announcements if you want to. Everything you need. Alright. Don't know if you can hear me over them, quite loud. All runs nicely, has hardly any oil at all. Do use the classic 20-weight-40. Is all good. Well, typically the remote gets stuck, doesn't it? There we go. They've got, can't see if it's on. There we go. Wasn't plugged in. Right, turn it on so you can get everyone in the back. Everyone can all watch telly in the back and everything. Not tuned up, I believe, at the minute, but you do get, yeah, not tuned, I'm afraid. I use it for work, so I can eat my lunch outside in my van, make everyone jealous. We don't have a staff room. Then these remote air freshener torch. We have ties for the roof. Got little clips on. Goes straight on these. Don't know if you can see with the sun. I do apologise. Also more ties in there and some centre caps. Some bright orange rope. You know, as you do. Just beautifulness. There we go. Nice bit of decoration. See, nice and smooth, absolutely wonderful and smooth actually. Nice big size, nice steering wheel, everything all good and wonderful. See, can't really see at the moment. Let's see. Right, sorry about that. Nice and noisy. Can't really see where I'm aiming, so I do apologise if I'm just getting nothing. Nice rock solid bottom if you can't actually see anything here. Absolutely spot on, no problems, no rust. Go around the other side too. Do apologise for the sniffing, got a bit of a cold. Alright, just had a tour of Wilmar. 1970, 1600, manual camper van, German import, left-hand drive. Thank you very much for taking your time to have a look. Any questions, drop me a message. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.